A 0.8% move upward is expected for Tether Gold, coin price forecast shows on May 22. First, here's what the recent market picture looks like. As of this update, Tether Gold has gone up 0.3% over the past 24 hours and is now near $4,509.30. Here come 5 views from analysts. By May 22, coin price forecast expects the asset to be at $4,546, which would be an increase of roughly 0.8%. CoinCodex expects Tether Gold could move toward $4,525.52, roughly 0.4% higher. 30 rates highlights the potential to move upward to $4,522, a projected rise of 0.3%. Another outlook from digital coin price projects Tether Gold could drift lower to $4,470.29, about 0.8% down. Finally, Gulf Capital Collector sees $4,469.07 by tomorrow, 0.9% down. This is the most profitable forecast among all those reviewed. 5 expert insights done. Let's carry on. With all forecasts considered, here's what the numbers show. Looking across the forecasts from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a decrease of 0.9% and an increase of 0.8%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Gulf Capital Collector is expected to post the highest return with 0.9% growth in value by May 22. This means you could earn between $3 and $9 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, 30 rates leads with a 65.8% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've put together a consensus outlook. Consensus positioning shows Tether Gold trading near $4,506.58. Let's peel back the layers. Consensus calculations suggest a 0% price increase by tomorrow. Stated plainly, your capital might rise by around 0% in accordance with that projection. If you had 1,000 invested, the scenario could point to in return. So the probability of this consensus forecast being realized sits near 69%. Moving on, let's explore how analysts expect the price to behave in the next 3 days. An upward drive is anticipated by coin price forecast. The projection from CoinCodex is that Tether Gold will trade in a narrow band around current levels. 30 rate signals a steady decline. Meanwhile, digital coin price indicates that prices could dip further. The expectation from Gulf Capital Collector is for Tether Gold to trade sideways, lacking clear momentum. The consensus picture shows Tether Gold with no significant direction emerging. Altogether, 60% of analysts share a bearish short-term stance on Tether Gold. 5 sites posted forecasts 2 days ago. Now we'll check them against yesterday's numbers. In the end, the day's last trade was around $4,540.40. The outcome showed